Hello? Hello? Okay now? Okay, today we will focus on the washing and the cutting for the cabbage and the cucumber. Firstly, it is the washing machines. Washing machines, because now our cabbage is not too much, so we were using the single sink bubble washing machines to clean this cabbage and the cucumber. Okay, we put the cabbage into the water. Now I will show you how does the bubble washing machine working. This is our tiny washing machines. This is specialized in using in the large canteens or hotel restaurant, and some for the start-up business. And this single sink washing machines is using the strong air blows to make the bulb, and the bulb will vibrate it for the vegetables and let the impurities or the dusties or the floatings away to the mesh sink. Ready? Okay, let's keep going on my introductions. Sorry for our staff, maybe have internet work service. Okay, now let's keep going introducing the single sink or bubble washing machines. 1 minute ago, I have already informed that our bubble washing machines, the working principle is using the air blow to send the strong air to the water and make the water shaking. And this shaking will take away the impurities, the dirties, or the dusties attached on the fruit or vegetables. So using these powers can gently clean this away. So now let's look at the bottom of the washing machines. Baby, please. Now under the sink, there is a mesh. There is a mesh under the sink. So even if the impurities or the moldies or the dirties was shake off, so this will go down the mesh and wash away to the drainage pipe. So we will start this machine and load the cabbage and the cucumber. Andrew, please load the cabbage. Now the machine starts to work. We will load the cabbage into pieces piece by piece. Normally, some shop they do the salads. So if we do the salad, then we will slice firstly. But today, our working flow is washing. After washing, then we go to slice machines. Now we can have a look for the working. The water is a strong shake, and now the cucumber and the cabbage is dancing in the water. So during the dancing, the impurities and and also these machines have good for our people to using the ozone functions during the pandemic seasons. And maybe you will ask me, dear Peter, do you have a large one or large capacity bubble washing machines to meet on your demand? Yes, exactly. We have large capacities to meet the different demand. This is only our minimum size of bubble washing machines. The big one, here we have another one is the conveyor belt. This is our conveyor belt. Miss Chris, are you online? If you are online, then you will see this is our conveyor belt bubble washing machines. 1 hour ago, I sent a video to you that bubble washing machines is washing the fruit and the vegetables. Is using this model. This model capacity is 800 kilogram per hour. And this one, between the minimal bubble washing machine, the big difference is the capacity. And another big difference is the conveyor belt. These machines have the conveyor belt, so the belt functions, and the vegetables and will go up to the conveyor belt. And the conveyor belt will take this fruit and vegetables go to another process, similar like the air dryers, or after air dryers they need to slice, or after slice they have to pack. So these machines can link with multi-functions machines. Just like my illustrations, they can connect with packers or air dryers or the slice. Okay, this is the big one. And our maximum capacity is about 2,000 kilogram per hour. This is 800 kilogram per hour. So if you need per day similar like 10 tons or 8 tons, then you have to choose the big one. Okay, after maybe 5 minutes or 6 minutes washing, we can stop the machines. Now let's check it, what had happened after washing the cabbage and the cucumber. Some farmland, they no need to separate the whole cabbage into the pieces. So you can wash it, the whole piece. After whole piece, like this one, after whole piece, then dry using the air blow to dewater the surface water and then go to the packer machine for pack. Now this is very clean after washing. Now let's check the under the bottom. There is some signs. Maybe our cell phone camera cannot see clearly, but there is a floating outside. So the floating will filtrations go to this basket. This basket will take away these impurities and floatings. This is the another functions for the minimal single sink bubble washing machines. So normally after cleaning, we need using the strong air blow to dry the surface water, then go to the packing machines for bags and go to the fresh market. Now this is please, I need this figure. Yeah, this is our packing machines. In our showroom, there is no horizontal film foam bagger machines. So I will take pictures and make short introductions for our cabbages or cucumber. Different size, different vegetable size, need to use the different bags to meet the demand. Okay, after washing, we will slice the cucumber or cabbages because at some salad factory, they need to slice them into the small pieces and pack them in the bag, go to the supermarket. So, Andrew, please take out the cabbages and the cucumber. We will go to the next process for the cutter machines. And Mr. Julian from Panama, and our staff, our orange, asked me to slice the coconut for you. Now the orange have already bought the coconut. So we will slice the coconut into 3 millimeter and let you know how does the 3 millimeter slice the coconut like. So, okay, let's slice the coconut into the 3 millimeter. Okay, this is our cutting machines. This cutting machines is multifunctional cutting machines. And one side, they can cut leaf green vegetables. And another side is the hopper one. Hopper side can cut the stone fruit and the hopper side. So the belt side will cut the leaf greens. So Mr. Julian, we will cut the slice. No. The belt cut, both sides is using the spiral materials. Okay, let's check the belt side. The belt side has 2 lives. Baby, please. The belt cord has 2 lives. This is 2 lives. When the belt give the material out and the life will cut it like that, similar like our hand limitation, like our kitchen using the human cutting, similar like the human cutting. And the vegetable is go to, here is live, similar like this one. Okay, let's try the coconut. Firstly, we start the machines. Mr. Julian needs 3 millimeters, so we try with the bell speed and the life speed can adjust by your idea. We try one piece. Here we're loading the coconut into the conveyor belt. Let's see. Oh, that is too big. So we have to minimize the speed. We need to slow down the belt speed and fast the knife speed. Okay, let's see. Now it's similar like 3 or 4. Maybe let's check how does the coconut after slice. Mr. Julian, this is normally about 3 or 4 after slice. Or if you need less than 3, we can adjust the both speed again. Okay, let's try. Let's see how does happen after slow down the belt speed. Okay, now change again. The thickness is about 2. Now let's see. This is the big one, and this is the small one. This is 2 millimeter. Okay, after the coconut, we will slice our cabbage and the cucumber. Okay, Mr. Andrew, let's try the cabbage. Let's try the cabbage and see what happened to the cabbage. Let's try 2 pieces or 3 pieces firstly. Please. Please, baby. Now this is before slice and this is after slice. For this side, slice range is 1 millimeter to 16 millimeter, and during the range, you can adjust the speed for the conveyor belt and the knife speed to adjust them, and you can get the ideal length. Just like Mr. Julian, he needs a 3 millimeter coconut. And our another customer, Mr. Abdullah Rahim, he need a very tiny cabbage. He need a very tiny, very small cabbage slice, similar like this one. So our machines can meet a different customer demand. Only your slice range is from 1 millimeter to 16 millimeter. Okay, let's try more. Try 3, maybe 5. So faster the build speed. Okay, please, Andrew. Okay, now this is bigger. Okay. Now here is 10. I guess it is 10 millimeter. Now you can see clearly for the difference. May I have a cucumber? Let's try cucumber. Wow, cucumber is sliced very smooth and very uniform. This is a 10. Let's try the thinner one. Slow. But the knife speed, I need a faster. Okay, let's try. 1 piece. Very good. Now let's see. It's very clear, isn't it? Okay, this side is finished. Let's go to another hopper side. So stop the machines. And we change another side. Actually, both sides we can work together. If you need a faster working efficiency, we can turn on both functions at the same time. Or just like now, either belt side or hopper side. So now we try the hopper side. In this hopper side, the working principle is the same as the belt side. The hopper side also using the introduction motor spiral power to take the live disc to keep running like this way. and using the spiral pulver to cut the food. So this is our blade. Our blade, it is similar like this one. Similar like this one. Different thickness or different shape, you need to change in the different live disc. So this is our dicer. Dicer disc, we need to compose it. After to compose it, then our potatoes or the carrot can dice in different size. Try to remember, if you need a different shape or different thickness, you need to change in the blade. So firstly, we will try the slice. This is our slice blade. I have already fixed on it. So we just turn on the machine and the machine will slice the cabbage or cucumber. I made a mistake for my introductions. The hopper size is only accept the root vegetables or like the fruit. The shape should be like a ball or rover. Okay, let's try the cucumber. And this hopper side, we have two entrances. The first entrance is for the upside, and another entrance is for the under type. The under type is for the sticker type vegetable, similar like the cucumber or the eggplant or the other like the Chinese yam. So today our products is the cucumber. So we will choose another entrance. It is for the sticker products entrance for this one. Maybe you will ask, why not using the upside? Yeah, of course, why not? Upside and downside both can accept. Okay, let's try. Our thickness, 1 life. Okay, let's try. 5. Okay, stop. Let's see what happened after 5mm slice. This is the belt cut, and the belt cut, and this is the hopper cut. Do you see the difference? This one is the circle one, but this one is not exactly circle, because our entrance is not like the right angles. It's similar like 45 degrees entrance. So that's why after slice, the shape will be a little difference. Maybe some customer, they insist on the exactly circle, then you have to use in the belt side. This is the hopper side. Hopper side, some people like this shape, but some like this one. But anyhow, but this machine can meet your different demand, okay? Okay, there is another customer ask us to try the dicer cucumber. Okay, let's try the dicer cucumber. Andrew, would you please change the blade for me? I need the dicer. So if you need a dicer, the cucumber, or dicer the potato, or dicer the carrot, firstly, you need to change the blade. Just now, we're using the slice blade, so we have to change the dicer one. The dicer one thickness is about 1 millimeter. Okay, during our Andrew changing the blade, I would like to give you simple introductions for our brush machines. Chris, are you online? Chris, are you online? This is the brush washing machines. This is the brush washing machines. Brush washing machines is specialized in cleaning for the root vegetables, just like you need, like the carrot, potato, gingers, or the bamboo roots. This machine can help you clean and remove the skin. If Miss Chris, if you do not need the skin off, just keep the skin to to link the water, the regular water stream, we wash off the potato or carrot surface impurities. Okay, now our Andrew have already changed the blood, the dicer bride. So we will the cucumber to 1 millimeter dicer. Okay, let's try. Let's try and to see what happened. Now please load in the upper side. It's very small. Let's try again. Try the second one. Okay. Our Jesse's word, amazing. Now we check it. And this is the 1 millimeter cucumber. Actually, if you fruit or a vegetable is very juicy, we do not suggest you to using the spiral dicer machines. We have another machine. It is specialized to dice the fruit, like the mangoes or potatoes or the tomato fruit and juicy vegetables. But anyhow, this machine also can help you to dice the cucumber. So after washing or cutting, we need to go to another process. It is go to the dehydratings. So we will take our slice the vegetables and the coconut, go to our dehydrator, because today our topic is about how to process the cucumber and vegetables in one-stop machine lines. So okay, let's go to the dehydration department. Let's see our heat pump dehydrator. Our company focuses on the heat pump dehydration technology more than it is our smallest one. It is good for the startup business or for the home business. And this model is our 100 GM model. 100 GM model have 20 trays. We also have a 15 trays, but the 100 GN is 20 trays. Mr. Scott, are you online? This is the 100 GN. I have already sent the solutions to you for this model and the detailed quotations to you. You can have a look for these machines. Now we loaded 2 pieces. Normally it's 20. So just now we slice the cabbage and the cucumber and the coconut. We can dry in one pallet and we can dry in one dehydrator. There is no mixed frequency. Okay, let's close the door. And this cabinet heat pump dehydrator was constructed with the stainless steel 304, and there is a window on the surface. This window can help you to monitor the drying progress. And how is the drying progress? You can using the window to monitor. And there is 4 casters on the machines. You can transport these machines as you need, like this one or this one. Okay, there is a control border. This control border is our IKE Python PLC systems. You can adjust temperatures and the humidities on the panel. The password is 61. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, okay, go. Enter. Okay, let's see. Let's use the model, operation model is the constant temperature and constant humidities. Okay, the temperature, our target temperature is, let's set 60. And the humidity, let's set 8. Okay, setting. For our 100 GM model, here is pictures. There is a pictures or drawing. These pictures can help you understand how does the 100 GM work. When the machine connected the electricity, the machine start to work, and this air blow, strong air blow, will send the air to the moisture products, and we'll take the moisture, go to the evaporator, and the moisture will go through the evaporator. Moisture will go away. Moisture will suck by this evaporator, and the water will go away. So this air will reheat. Will go to the hot coil. The hot coil for reheat, and then it is go back to the material again. So this cycle will repeat until the food has reached to your target moisture. After reach your target moistures, this machine, this drying process, you can stop. So during these cycles, you can find it there is no energy lost because we're using the moisture to condense the water, and the water will go away. So normally the energy used for the machine is to generate the air compressor and the air blow. So our heat pump system is not using the electricity consumptions. So this system it is up to save almost 60% energy saving than the convection dryer. Okay, today I have already give some introductions for our washing machines and cutting machines and our heat pump dehydrator. So our life we are going to the end. We will see you again on September 22nd because on that day we will focus on our machinery introductions on the guava and the pear. Wish you to subscribe our YouTube channel, and if you like our channel, please give like to me, and do not lost our updatings. Okay, lives on our YouTube channel. Please subscribe. See you on September 22nd. See you September 22nd. See you next time.